pot. Hi guys! So today's video, what are we gonna do, my love?
Wash some clothes, Philippine style.
Filipino style.
Show me how it's done in the province.
Kasi ang tubig lang namin dito is sa balon lang. Kasi marami na kaming labahan kaya kailangan namin maglaba ngayon. Meron naman daw washing si Papa pero syempre kailangan din niyang malaman kung paano maglaba. By your hands. Ubus ko na to kay dami-dami to Parang uulan, guys.
That's how we do it.
Yeah. Like that. And then we didn't separate the white from the
Yeah, it's okay.
color. And then all you have to do is, do this. No. You have to, what you call this one? What you call this one in English? Like this? Basta magkusot-kusot, guys.
Massage it.
Massage? But you don't have a words in English like this? Like
just hand wash, I guess.
hand wash? Uy, not like that. You have to do this. So that it's well cleaned. You know what I'm saying? Tapos, pagkatapos namin maglaba, maligo kami dito sa balon. Kasi yung balon nila, madilaw-dilaw konti. Pero, okay lang. Kasi buong araw kami na pawis, sobrang init. Are you okay, my love?
Like that.
Yeah. All you have to do, take one of the clothes.
And then wring it out.
Yeah, do like this, oh.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah. Okay na yan. Di naman masyadong madumi yung namin, damit. Puro pawis lang kasi. Ito to may panty. Dati, pag ako naglaba, mag-isa lang ako. Ngayon, may karamay na tayo ng maglaba, no? Is it your first time to do this? Wala, yab!
Smells good.
Mosquito! Binatukan! See, mosquito, it's big!
Yeah, pretty sure I'm getting bit a lot.
Oh, I have also, ang daming lamok pala dito, guys.
They're all over here.
Yeah. It's okay. Mosquito here is friendly.
Yeah. They just want your blood.
Yeah, maybe. They're friendly. Because you're new here. That's why they're coming here. Uulan, guys. Baka yung iba nito hindi namin nasampay kasi wala ang space doon Wala, uulan na nga, guys. Be careful, when you stand up. Maybe you fall in the well.
Would I drown? How far is that?
It's not that deep. Umuulan na, guys. Ay, salamat.
Big ass mosquitoes too. It's raining blood.
Yeah. You can take off your top.
No.
Why?
I don't want to. I don't know if you can assist them.
Because we will take a shower. Maligo kami sa ulan, guys. Is my phone will be okay? It's water resistant, right?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah. Excuse me. right on the vlog. Oh shit.
Why? Why? What happened?
It's starting to rain, man.
Yeah. You want to go inside? Huh? I will take a bath. So you can go. You can go.
I don't want to get you.
I don't want to see. Smells good, diba? Not bad.
Right.
Sampay-sampay na. Umuulan sa labas, guys. Say hi, Sam.
Oh, I didn't know there's a camera right here.
Babe! Hi! Maayong gabi Maayo. Maupay nga gabi Nga, unkit. Ulam for tonight is ginataang kalabasa na may
Alimango.
alimango.
Crab. Crab.
Crab. Kain tayo.